Hey folks, it's Andrew, and digital teaching and learning spaces can be hard for kids. So let's talk about making them easier. So this is to organize a Google Meet. This is going to break the Google Meet into smaller groups. Each group is going to have a set of directions. Okay, these are Google Docs that have breakout room instructions in them, and each set of directions has a specific breakout room. These are the Google Meet links where the breakout meetings will be held. This looks brilliant. It's taking something that's really going to be quite complicated for the kids to navigate and makes it easier for them to navigate. The good news is, this isn't that hard to make. So what we're looking at here is a one-slide Google slide presentation. And that one slide has got these Bitmojis dropped into it, and then these other images with some text, and then they're linked. That's like double bonus, because not only is it functional and slick looking, but it's also easy to make. Functional, slick looking, easy to make. That's not double bonus, that's triple bonus. Anyway, so let's make one of these, and I'll show you how it works. So here's my plan. I'm going to create a one-slide, clickable Google slide that will help my students see where I've explored around the Great Lakes region. So I have got this map of the Great Lakes, and I have got my Bitmojis dropped in specific spots. Now let's take a minute and talk about Bitmoji. So Bitmoji is a whole separate application. That is a mobile application with a Chrome extension. If you've never messed with Bitmoji, I will link to this video in the video notes at the end of this. Now, I found that it helped me to create a separate Google Doc that had all the links all in one spot, so they're easier for me to find. And you notice on this, I could use websites or YouTube videos. I could use files out of my Google Drive. Now, a thing about files out of Google Drive is you gotta make sure that the sharing settings are right. So this is the one I'm gonna use for the Lansing one. So I wanna make sure and share this. So I'm gonna change that so that anyone with the link can view it. And then I'm gonna copy that link, say done, go back to my Google Doc where all my links live, and I'll put that right there. So the Lansing one, I'll click on the Bitmoji, and then this little button right here, insert link. So I'll click on that, and then I will go over to my Google Doc, and I'll copy that link in there, and I will paste that link. And then I'll go ahead and do that with the rest of my Bitmojis too. All right, so the next step of this is I've got to put this in presentation mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to File, and I'm going to hit Publish to the Web. I will be able to publish this as a single link, and it's going to run the slideshow as a slideshow. So it just shows up. It doesn't show up looking like a Google Drive file. It shows up looking like a single slide. So then I hit publish. Okay. And it gives me this link. When I take that link and I put it here, it brings up my map with my Bitmojis. And then I can click on stuff. See, look at that. And you could link those with Google Meet links or Google Docs or outside websites or YouTube videos or pictures, whatever you wanted. So there we go. That's a version of Google Slides paired with some Bitmoji that's designed to help you make things easier for your students. Let me know what I can do to help. And as always, I look forward to seeing you around.